What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to make rice water smell absolutely delicious. Okay, so stay tuned. What's up, hearties? So I have here some rice water, right? And I wanted to talk to you guys about something that I already talked about previously. So if you heard it before, just disregard. But if you haven't heard about it, or if you're new to my channel, let me just refresh you. So I have noticed that when I make rice water with other brands or other types of rice other than Jasmine rice, they have been somewhat on the stinky side, right? On the sour side. I did notice that with Jasmine rice, the rice water actually stays smelling like rice. But for you who are using a different rice, because you're not trying to go out in the streets and buy no Jasmine rice, you just want to use what you already have on hand. And if you're using a different rice and you left it overnight and it smelled kind of weird, I'm going to share with you what you can add to it that is going to make it smell better. Okay, but I do recommend, if you want your rice water to smell good, use Jasmine rice. To me, Jasmine rice so far has been the only rice that actually makes the rice water smell, you know, good. Like, it doesn't smell like really bad. So I'm going to share with you this essential oils, and I got it, you could get it from anywhere. Once it's 100% essential oils, 100% oil, pure oil. All of them smell really good, but you want to make sure that you're not allergic to any of them. So you want to do like a little test area on your skin somewhere and just make sure you're not allergic. And I do not recommend that you put a whole bunch of it in the rice water, right? I just feel like you'll defeat the whole purpose. But I do recommend that if you do have like a smelly rice that you're using, and you want to use peppermint oil, you can. Peppermint oil will make it smell really good. You could also use the tangerine. That's my favorite. You could just drop 1 drop of tangerine and that's it. That's all you need. And it's going to smell, oh my gosh, it's going to smell so good. You could try any one of these oils. So just get 100% pure oil. Pure peppermint oil, pure tangerine oil, pure lemon oil. Just get some 100% oil and drop like 1 drop in the rice water, and it's going to smell so good, so delicious. Like, you could have your rice water sitting for 2 days and it will still smell good, but you want to put it in after. Like, after the rice water has fermented, you want to drop the oil in there after. So then the same day that you're about to use it, just drop 1 drop of oil and then go ahead and apply it to your hair and do your do. I do have my entire wash day routine, rice water routine. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can see. I do add moringa to my rice water. I don't always use oil in my rice water. It's totally a choice. The rice to me doesn't smell bad when I use Jasmine rice, so I don't apply oil or anything. But if you're using a rice that smells kind of weird, then you could go ahead and add some peppermint oil to it, and it's going to smell really good, really nice, and you won't have any issues with rice water scent, you know? Yeah. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.